Good morning, baby. Good morning, baby. How did you sleep all through the night? How did you sleep all through the night? Did you sleep pretty good? You must be really hungry then, huh? You're eating your outfit there. Yeah? What do you say? What do you say? Hey, you're kicking the camera. All right, well, we've got to save the little jumper outfit and get some formula into your body, huh? So don't eat all your clothes. Oh, baby. Wow. All right, you're really hungry. Okay, say bye-bye. Good job.